Let me tell you about a costly mistake I made inside of my agency that cost me money, time, and really overall just momentum in the things that I was doing. So for the longest time, I was using Kit, formerly ConvertKit, for my email marketing, but I genuinely just wasn't happy with it. Now, the reason why I never switched platforms, because as we all know, we're very busy entrepreneurs, and even the thought of switching tag really gave me a headache in its own, and I didn't think would even be possible with the number of subscribers I have, all the complex things we have set up, automations, and so much more. But in today's video, I'm going to show you why I wish I would have switched sooner and why I switched to OmniSend for our email marketing to actually support the business I'm growing and scaling today. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you have been here, then you probably noticed a different setup as I finally moved into my new place, and you're going to see lots more of different stages in YouTube from this point on. If you're brand new here, my name is Mel and I own an almost $1 million social media marketing agency, and I now help social media managers like yourself make more money with things like email marketing. So let's get into the good stuff. Now, first, let's talk about why I wasn't happy with my existing platform, having all the things set up in Kit. Now, Kit is a very well-known platform, especially for email marketing among the content creator audience. And obviously they're very well known to be a good platform. But for me personally, I am all about having the right systems and processes, which includes tech, into your agency or your business so that you're supported and feel like things actually are easier and not harder. Now, I always felt like Kit was very clunky, the way things were set up, and I always struggled when I hired an ads team. They were always struggling with the connection to Kit and having emails go out to nurture people into a sale. Now, today I also have way more complex offers than I did years ago, and so I need a lot more automations and setups, forms, opt-ins, segmentation, you name it, right? And so I felt like I wasn't getting this from the platform, and that's why I never talked about email marketing, as I've been doing email marketing for quite a long time now. So here's where I messed up. I generally stayed with the platform because I didn't want to go through the hassle of doing more migrating stuff until I found OmniSend, which is a very great platform for email marketing, automations, and has all the things while yet making it very simple. But number two, which is probably the biggest reason they made migration so easy. I've gone through the migration process with them from ConvertKit over into OmniSend, and they took care of everything. So their team actually took my automations, my forms, my contacts, my segmentation, everything from ConvertKit, and migrated it into OmniSend. So that was a no-brainer for me to switch and actually finally clean slate, start using a platform that supports me where I'm at right now. Now, here's really what nobody talks about, and it's the cost of staying with tools and tech that isn't supporting your growth and the cost of that, right? As beginner social media managers, think about, for example, investing in your first social media management tool, things like that. And the money you're leaving on the table by not having the right tools that make you move faster, even though it costs a little upfront, it actually helps you make more money. The same counts for email marketing, especially for social media managers. As you grow, this is a key component of the marketing you do for clients, because social media brings people into their funnels, and email marketing is supposed to really support that by having an owned audience and over time converting people into becoming customers. So if you're currently in a spot where maybe you don't have an email marketing platform, or you haven't found the right tool, or you have a tool but you kind of feel that same feeling I felt where you're just not quite happy with it, then you need to take that as a sign that maybe this is a good time to migrate, especially to a tool that makes it so freaking easy. So when you go into my OmniSend dashboard right now, you can see they set up my email templates. We have a separate newsletter go out to social media managers, elite social society members, and we have a separate newsletter template that was completely same design, transferred, migrated over into OmniSend. They also imported all of our contacts, including tags, including the opt-in forms that I have set up for YouTube, one of them being here, in order to get subscribers and automations leading into that. And it couldn't have been easier for us to switch for our email marketers and my copywriter to also integrate in a tool and say, oh, this is a no-brainer. We can easily transition over with literally no hassle at this point. And so it was embarrassingly easy for me to migrate within a couple of days. And our team, I didn't have to use my own team to actually spend time and money into that. But the OmniSend team themselves took everything that we already had, and in a couple of days they let me know the migration is done and it's ready to go for you guys. And so yes, it was embarrassingly easy, and that is the biggest mistake I wish I would have done sooner. If I would have known I could have done that, I would have switched way sooner. So if you're just getting started with email marketing, or maybe you have started newsletter, email marketing stuff, and you want to try something that truly supports you, OmniSend is really a no-brainer with their migration that they completely handle for free for you. And so you can use my link below, where you can even get 30% off your plan if you use my link, so that you can make it a little bit more enticing for you to get going on your email marketing. So there's a couple of audiences for who this migration is a no-brainer. That is the service provider like yourself, social media managers, e-commerce brands, as they're very well known and have a strong suit in e-commerce, especially because e-commerce brands, if you work with any or have your own products that you're selling, it costs a lot more nurturing, costs a lot more having people in the funnels and sales pipeline. And email marketing plays such a huge role in that in order to get people to convert. So as I mentioned earlier on in this video, I started Elite Social Society, which is a completely different arm from the agency. We have clients now who we do email marketing for. And so all of these components make it so much better for you to have a platform like OmniSend. So if you're an agency, service provider, e-commerce brand, as well as a creator simply monetizing YouTube traffic, the smart creators will want to use a platform like OmniSend so that you can actually turn that traffic into money. Because as we all know, followers don't equal sales. So if you've been thinking about switching email marketing platform, or you're just getting started, obviously that is a no-brainer as well. But if you're thinking about switching, then don't let migration fear or those challenges to start over again stop you, because OmniSend is here to the rescue, quite literally, as I went through this process. And I can tell you it was so easy and nice to actually use a platform that is simple to use, but also has complex enough automations that other platforms like Kit simply couldn't do. Now, if you want me to do a full breakdown of funnels, how to build, set up inside of OmniSend, which I would love to do in an educational video, then comment below, let me know, and I would love to create a video like that for you. I would love to hear if you found this useful, and if you're gonna make this switch, please comment below and make sure to use my link to get 30% off after your free trial. But of course, there's no commitment to just getting started and checking it out for yourself. And I will see you in next week's video.